Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set a reminder on any Oppo phone. To do that, just open the calendar app on your smartphone. Now from here, just select the day for which you want to set a reminder. For an example, I will select this date, then tap on the plus icon. Now at the top of the screen, you can select a specific reminder. For an example, if you're setting the reminder for a birthday, just select birthday, or if it is an anniversary or a countdown, you can select any of these options. For now, I will select event. Now just give a title to your event. After you give a name to your reminder, the next step is to set a start and end date of the reminder. For an example, you can tap on the start date, and from here you can set when you want to start the reminder. And if you tap on the start time, you can select the time when you want to start the reminder. And if you tap on end, you can select an end date of the reminder, and the same goes with the time. Or you can enable all day, and instead of a specific time to start and end the reminder, you can set the reminder for the whole day. And after that, you have the option of repeat, and from here you can select when you want to repeat the reminder. By default, it is on once, but you can select daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. After that, you have the option of reminder, and from here you can select how you want to be reminded with your reminder. By default, it is on day of event, and if you select this option, it will notify you on the day of the event, but you can also select a day before the event, and it will notify you a day before the event, or you can select any of these other options. Also, you can enable a sound alert for your reminder, and finally, you can set a location for your reminder. And once you set your reminder, then tap on Done to save. Just like that. And this is how you can set a reminder on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.